Isn't this fun, Donald?
I'm hungry.
But we can't stop for lunch until I've taken all my photos. Ooh! Look, it's the Araquan bird, a native of South America.
Who cares? I'm starved.
Well, if you're so hungry, Donald, then help me find him. And when I get his picture, you get lunch.
Lunch? Oh, boy. There he is.
Where?
He was right down there.
There?
No, up there. Look over there.
Where?
There. No, there. There. Down there. Over there. Over there. 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 There.
Well, if you can see him, why don't you take the picture? I'm gonna get more film.
Yeah, Muggy, Muggy, Muggy. That's right. I'll show you.
So, did you get the picture?
Give me that. You go and feed the elephant. Oh, buddy! Here, stupid buddy. Missed me. Well, I'll get that photo if it's the last thing I do. Hey, give me those. Give me that. I give up.
Thank you. That Araquan really is a beautiful bird, isn't he?
Country club. Well, I'm country. And I got me a club, too. Howdy, folks. What happened?
Ever want to join a club that didn't want you for a member?
Yeah, just now.
To become a member of such an elite and prestigious club, one must become a gentleman. The gentleman's fashion. One must avoid making a fashion statement such as, "So get rid of those old rags."
My clothes!
And explore the true gentleman's wardrobe.
Ravishing.
A gentleman's wardrobe. Yes, a tuxedo is always classy.
Must be half price.
The gentleman's elocution.
Electrocution?
No. Elocution, the art of speaking.
But I can already speak real good.
Well,
Well, what?
for example, how would one greet Her Majesty the Queen?
Hiya, Queenie! Hey, Liz! Your royal pain? Ouch! All I said was ouch!
One should bow gracefully and say, "My dear Queen, how delightful to make your acquaintance."
My queer Dean, how delightful to acquaint your maintenance.
Mastering a tongue twister is another way to improve diction. The gritty gaucho grabbed his glassy green gargoyle and grappled with the gangly gardener.
Why's he doing that?
Again, the gritty gaucho grabbed his glassy green gargoyle and grappled with the gangly gardener.
Easy for you. The words were backwards for me.
Again,
Say, where is this gardener anyway?
the gritty gaucho grabbed his glassy green gargoyle and grappled with the gangly gardener.
Oh!
The gentleman's dining. The next step in becoming a gentleman is learning how to eat.
Eat? I know how to do that.
One never uses his hands. Finally, the gentleman never leaves until he has eaten everything in front of him.
Gotta have your iron. Yep.
The gentleman's poise. No matter what, a gentleman always maintains his poise.
Do your worst. I'm as cool as a cucumber.
Bravo! You, my good man, are now as composed as a cucumber. And so we return to where we began. Only now, this simple hayseed has been transformed into a perfect gentleman. No lesson has been left out. No crease has remained unironed. Nothing has been forgotten. Well, I didn't think I had to remind you to put on your pants. It's obvious to me now that a clumsy, naive rube like you could never get into a gentleman's club like that. What was I thinking? You're goofy.
I'll show you a club.
Now, hold on. Hey! Ow! Stop that! Now that's what I call a gentleman's club. Oh.
Oh, no.
Listen, I'm gonna sunbathe, so you make sure my precious baby Shelby stays in the wading pool. Understand? He's only allowed in the wading pool!
That's a good boy. Where'd he go? Oh, there you go. You stay in the wading pool. I don't tolerate that stupid turtle dog tolerance. Lousy turtle animals doing this stupid little pasta. I said stay in the wading pool. That's more like it. Get back here. I'm just about trying to make you little plastic camera, you young shit.
Hey, where's my baby Shelby?
In the wading pool.
Well, make sure he stays in there, because he can't swim!
What's this?
Dear Mr. Duck, your pitiful attempts to catch me will only lead to your own undoing. Sincerely, Baby Shelby. Ha, 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 ha.
P.S. Look up.
Gotcha! No, please! Let me get swimmer!
You taught my baby Shelby how to swim! Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? I'm going to bring my little baby Shelby to this pool every single day of the summer.
Let's go! Wow!